Smell of rich house. This tip is very simple and with few ingredients. You will be impressed by the smell that your home will get. To start today's tip in a container, we will add coarse salt. Now we will use 3 tablespoons of alcohol, being the second item for this tip, and responsible for exhaling the aromas used in this mixture. Once added, we will mix well. I'm sure this quick and easy tip will make your day-to-day easier. The main item of this mixture, and that will bring the smell that your home needs, is the fabric softener. Here I'm using concentrated fabric softener, but you can use whatever you prefer. I will use only 2 caps, which is equivalent to 50 milliliters, and we will mix well, if necessary. You can even increase the amount of fabric softener. If you prefer, this tip also works perfectly. Also using disinfectant. Whenever we add, we will mix again. This tip works so well that whenever I receive visitors, my visitors ask me what the secret is, because I have this mixture scattered throughout the house. The last item I will use in this tip will be cloves. In addition to bringing a great aroma, they help spread the smell of fabric softener and also prevent the entry of insects in your house. I am sure that these items used together will be the solution to keep your home always clean and fragrant. Do not worry about the amount of any of the ingredients we will use. The duration of this product is up to a month, which will make it worth every amount. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Marvin White from Texas. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. I use it mainly in the bathroom, thus avoiding bad smell. If you prefer, you can even use different fabric softener smells for different rooms in your home. By using the coarse salt, all the softener and alcohol will remain active for the whole time. In this tip, even in the bathroom, after use and keeping this tip active, I no longer suffered from bad smell, and even in other rooms after cleaning. Also keep this tip always ready. For sure, all visits will notice the great aroma all the time in your home. Thank you for watching this tip so far. See you in the next video. Bye.